This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition 353 Vic is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, water heater, microwave, LP detector, external shower, slide-out, air conditioning, TV, smoke detector, awning, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition 353 Vic is 11,660 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.